Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Welcome to another weekend vlog. Today is Saturday, April 30th. We were out and about earlier this morning. I did a little thrifting. We stopped at a yard sale. We took Joey for a little walk. It's still a little cold out there. Couldn't spend too much time outside, and there were really not, we found one yard sale and we just did stop there, but there wasn't much. So yard sale season hasn't really started yet, but the month of May, they should really start getting out there with the warmer weather. So I'm really looking forward to that. So I'm just gonna show you what I picked up at the thrift store, what I picked up at the yard sale, and why I got them, what my plan is. And then I've been wanting to get this upstairs family room finished up with the sofa cover that I got. It's actually a double lazy boy, and I've never been able to find a cover for it. And I have cats that have really kind of destroyed this sofa, so I have to cover it, and what I have on there right now is something that really isn't doing the trick. I can't keep it. They were lazy boy chair covers, but obviously they have an arm that's not being used, so they really don't stay on there well. But I got this stretch cover from Amazon, and you can see that it has the little middle console here, which is exactly what I have on mine. So I'm gonna put this on there to give it a facelift, and I'm just gonna show you how I ended up with my rugs, my area rugs that I got after putting down the Empire floor. And yeah, this room is really gonna be finished once I get the cover on the sofa and get the stuff, get my decorations back on my table. So I'll show you what I got at the thrift store and at the yard sale, and then I'll just kind of take you on a little house tour up here after I get my sofa cover on. I will link this below if you happen to have one of these double lazy boy sofas that you're looking for a cover. Wasn't that expensive. I'll link it below. But the reason I went to the thrift store this morning is because I'm getting ready to start doing my balcony, you know, getting it decorated for the season. And what I want to have out there is some blankets. And I just wanted to get some inexpensive blankets to have outside. And I wanted to get a blanket or two for up at the fire pit too, because it's still kind of chilly to be out there. But we want to start getting out there. So I got some inexpensive blankets that are really, really nice, and I'll throw them in the washing machine and get them all cleaned up and smelling good, and then use them outside on the balcony. So the first one I got, this is really nice. It is a crocheted blanket, and it's really good size. It's actually very big, and it's in excellent condition. And the color pattern is like a peach, a white, a blue, and a darker gray, but it's very, very pretty. And this was only $6.99. You know, you can't go wrong. I'll wash it in the gentle cycle and dry it on the delicate cycle. It'll be fine, and it'll be great on a Saturday morning or a Sunday morning to go out on the balcony and have some coffee and just sit with this blanket around me. Plus the blankets look pretty draped over the chairs and give it a cozy vibe out on the balcony. The other blanket I got is like a white crochet. Not white, it's like a cream color, I should say. And this is a smaller size. It's got a little bump here where they were hanging it up. You want to walk by?
Is it okay?
We're gonna go downstairs.
Oh,
Go ahead.
is that all right?
Yeah.
Hi, ladies and gentlemen.
And this one here was only $3.29. So $3. $3 for a nice blanket. And this is a nice for summer when the weather warms up, but it just gets a little chilly maybe at night. Like in June, we can still get some cool evenings. And this last one is just something that is so pretty. This is a quilt. And it looks, I don't know if it was homemade. It might not have been homemade, but nevertheless, it does look homemade. And it has like this blue and pink background, and then and it's a decent size quilt. And this was, I think this was $9.99. Yep, $9.99. So what did I spend? So $20 about for 3 nice blankets that I can have outside on my balcony. And I can bring them in or put them inside. I have a little sort of table that has a cover. I can put them in there when we're not outside. And then they'll be in there and they'll stay dry, you know, if it rains. And then at the thrift store, I also saw these placemats. These look absolutely brand new. And I thought they were pretty, I might use them outside. They're reversible as well. And there's 5 of them. But I got 5 of them for $4, $3.99. And I just think that this is so pretty. And like I said, they look absolutely brand new. So, I mean, if I were to buy these, like, in a catalog or a specialty boutique, 5 of these would be pretty costly compared to $4 for 5. So that's where you can get your bargains at the thrift store. And these remind me kind of like a Waverly print, which is, you know, a really high-end print. And these, I think they're just really, really pretty. And then at the yard sale, there wasn't much there. She didn't have much at all, but she did have these little pitchers, these little glass pitchers that I will put in the dishwasher. And well, I'll probably give them a good scrub and then put them in the dishwasher. But what I thought these would be good for is when you're making a recipe and you have, like, you know, a 1/4 cup of oil, a 1/3 cup of water, or whatever, milk. For your recipe, you can use these to, you know, have all your ingredients set up before you start your recipe. So for these 2 glass pitchers, and I got this cute little planter that I'm going to use on my balcony, but I think that it's really, really pretty. And I got these, all 3 of these for $3, so basically $1 a piece. And the other thing that I got at the thrift store, I love to drink, especially in the summertime, but all year long, I love to drink out of mason jars. And I thought this one was so cute because I don't know if you can see that. It has a rooster on it, and it says County Fair. And I just think it's really cute. And it was $3.50 for this. So this was a little bit more expensive, but I really like this as a drinking glass. So I think I got some really cute things to kind of get me in the mood for springtime leading into summer. I'm gonna start doing my outside decorating. I'm gonna get this room all squared away. And like I said, I will give you a tour around. I'll show you a little bit putting on the sofa cover. And yeah, I'm gonna throw all my blankets into the wash. But anyway, guys, I hope that you will enjoy seeing me get my couch cover on and see the home tour of my upstairs family room finished with my area rugs and so forth. You've seen some of the snippets of the thrifting and the yard sales. I really did have a great morning, and now it's just home and just getting ready to chill out for the rest of the weekend. Stick around, there's still a lot more to come on this video, but I'm going to wrap up this talking phase. And
all right guys, so I am going to start the process by taking off this old cover. And at one point I had even tacked it down to try to keep it in place. So I have my work cut out for me, but I did get it off. And now putting on the new cover, it was all separate pieces. So it was kind of like trying to put a puzzle together. I was trying to figure out what went where, and there were little tags on it that said where the back, it was the back of the chair, was back of the arm. So I worked at it for a little while, and I did eventually figure it all out, and it is really nice. It's very soft material, and it fits really snugly on the chair, on the arms, on the seats, and the back of the chair, and then even in the console. So you'll just see that I'm going to do this arm, and then I'm going to sort of quickly move along for you, but you can see how each piece fits on each individual part. So I got the console on, and now you're going to see a couple of little clips that are used to secure the seat and the back. So I'm going to take you on a little tour now. We're going to go up the stairs, and we're going to go into this family room that I have been getting together since I had my new floors. And you can see the carpets, the little area rugs that I got. And I have my candle on a warmer up here, and it really scents the room really nice, and you can smell it when you come up the stairs. I really enjoy having that kind of scent in the room, and I can leave it all the time. I don't have to worry about a candle burning. And these chairs we got at a yard sale when we first got married. That's where I have my cat box. And yeah, so there's Joey. He's very curious about everything that's been going on. But I do like how everything came out. You can see the couch cover there. You can see my little art decos here. I have my little chain that I picked up at Marshall's. And here's another area rug. I just love these rugs from Amazon. They were very inexpensive, but you can see I have my coffee table on it. My this is just the living room, and I covered up that space with my little blanket. You can't see the space that was there from the console cover. So I think it looks really, really great. I also have this sofa, which is covered with a slip cover from Shore Fit, and it looks, you know, like a brand new sofa. Otherwise it would look really bad. And I have my little catnap in sign here. It's definitely catnap in this room, and I just love that. And I got this at a yard sale, and I just think it's adorable. There's the balcony. This is the clock that my dad made. I absolutely just love it. And this is our wedding picture. And there really is no place we'd rather be.
All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed that video and the little house tour. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. Thanks for hanging out. And I will look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care, everybody.